Say hi. That is the player. Okay, it's the other player. But you can ask me the OP. I can't, because the owner said, my best friend Patrick, don't OP if they're not donate 15 times or 25 times, and we'll OP them if they're approved. I can accept that accept the question of them. And guys, this is again the TGIS server. Just join. You can see the port on the description. Then subscribe guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.